Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is Thursday. It is January 27th. So, welcome to the last Thursday in January. We're moving closer to spring every day. So, it will be February before we turn around. And we're moving right into spring, into warmer weather. Fingers crossed soon. Let's see. Hello, everybody. I see some people joining me now. I appreciate you joining. Hello, Sean. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, if you can put hashtag replay, give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. The more people that comment, the more people that will see this video going out there. So those of you that don't know, I'll just give you a quick reminder. I've been doing these cocktail time lives with Jamie since March of 2020, since the beginning of the pandemic, and I love bringing you cocktails from Aroma Thyme. So these are fun, cool cocktails. Whether we make them up, we adjust them to fit what fits our policy and our way of doing things here at Aroma Thyme. And I look up recipes all the time. Courtney finds things for me. You give me great ideas, so thank you very much for that. I am using the independent spirits that are behind me on all of these shelves. And if you've been to Aroma Thyme, which most of you have, you can see we love to bring you cool, interesting, fun spirits from around the world. A lot of local stuff and a lot of really cool things. So come on into Aroma Thyme, sit at the bar, grab a drink. Our bartenders will be happy to make you something fun and cool. We have an awesome cocktail menu, and we'd love for you to join us. So thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. It's awesome to see everybody on. Hello, Cheryl. Hello, Catherine and Sean and Dawn, Terry. Thanks, everybody. So let's see some upcoming things. So today starts our new $9.99 special for the week. It runs from today until Monday. It is a old-time favorite. It is green curry with mussels and shrimp with rice on the side. I believe it has broccoli in it as well, right, Marcus? It has broccoli as well. Awesome dish. If you love curry, this is the dish for you. I love curry, so this is probably what I'm going to be having for dinner tonight. I'm super excited about it. Let's see, so that runs from now until Monday. You still have time to get in on the buy one, get one free offer that we've been doing all month. It is on one menu item, so you can choose one menu item. You get one buy one, get one free. It cannot be used with our $9.99 special. I'm sorry, everybody. We just cannot do that. That is not possible for us to do buy $1.99, get $1.99 for free. It doesn't work like that. I apologize, but you can add the $9.99 special onto your order of buy one, get one free of any menu item. So if you want a ribeye, you can get a buy one ribeye, get the second ribeye for free. Buy one salmon risotto, get the second one for free. So that is how that works. You can add the $9.99 onto that. You can get a soup, you can get a salad, but you can only get one buy one, get one free item. So that is our awesome special for the month of January. That ends on Monday, so take advantage of that this weekend. You can do it every day. You can do it as often as you'd like from now until Monday, and that ends on Monday. And then we have our awesome Valentine's Day box available for takeout. So we have 3 options for Valentine's Day. 1, you can come and dine in with us because we will be open, so definitely make a reservation. 2, you can get a takeout from us and take it home off of our regular menu. And 3, we have these awesome takeout boxes for Valentine's Day. It is $149. It has 3 appetizers, 2 entrees, 2 desserts, and a bottle of wine from White Cliff. White Cliff will deliver that bottle of wine here. You will be charged from Aroma Thyme and from White Cliff because White Cliff takes care of the wine. We are not selling you the wine. White Cliff is selling you the wine. So as Valentine's Day comes approaching a little bit closer, we will give you more details on that. So Monday night we have an awesome beer dinner. 4 beers and a dish for $29. They are awesome, rare beers. We have pulled out some really cool things. We will be doing this 2006 Monster Ale from Brooklyn. We are going to be doing this 2002 Harvest Ale from J.W. Lee's. Amazing beer. And then we have 2 others as well. We have a White Gold from Ithaca, and we have another, I think it's a Belgium blonde, a French blonde ale. So those 4 beers, 4 beers in a dish for $29. That is on Monday night. It starts at 6:30. Call and make reservations. We'd love to have you, but our beers are awesome. And then the following Monday, we'll be doing wine again. So thanks, everybody. Hello, Connie. Hello, Donna. Hello, Ralph. Kat. Thank you, everybody. Really, really appreciate it. So today, I am going to be making a salted caramel Irish coffee with white chocolate. How good does that sound? So it is mostly vegan. You can make it vegan. You can leave out the white chocolate liqueur, but this does have dairy in it. But I am going to be using oat whipped topping. I'm going to be using organic salted caramel sauce. I'm going to be using Irish whiskey from Dubliner. And I have made, and if you don't know this, we only make French press coffees here at Aroma Thyme. That is how we serve our coffee. The French press has been made for me, so I'm just seeing why it's super light. Not sure why it's so light today, but it is. But anyway, we're going to get started here, so thank you, everybody. I appreciate it. I am going to start with a little salted caramel in the bottom of my glass. I am going to add the coffee. Actually, I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of the Irish whiskey. And I'm going to mix that up so that the caramel mixes in there. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to add about a little over half an ounce of white chocolate liqueur. Here you can see it. I'm sorry that I haven't been able to see that. And I am going to add my coffee right on top. Ooh, look at that. Yum, yum. Nice hot coffee. And I am going to top it off with this oat whipped cream. You can use regular whipped cream if you'd like. Actually, so in the meantime, while I am shaking this, because I forgot we have to leave this sitting out for a few minutes to get warm. Our $9.99 special this week is our shrimp and mussel green curry with broccoli and rice. And our buy one get one free special this till the end of the month. We have a beer dinner on Monday. I'm trying to think what other cool things. We are open all weekend, so Aroma Thyme is open. So please, please, please come on in, join us, get takeout. Usually the phones are ringing away. You can call early and place your order. And that is, let's see, that is it. Let me grab some espresso beans. All right, hopefully we're getting this whipped cream going here. So here is the Irish coffee. I'm going to taste it without the cream. So salted caramel, Irish whiskey, Irish cream, white chocolate. I added the white chocolate at the end. So this is, look at that, white chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. Instead of, an Irish coffee has Irish cream and Irish whiskey. So, sorry, Jameson typically, but we don't use Jameson here. We only use small independent. So I'm going to put a little bit of this whipped cream, this oat whipped cream on top. Whoop. There we go. Add a couple of espresso beans. And there you have it. My Irish coffee, salted caramel, and white cream. So, you can play around with stuff at home too. Have fun, enjoy, and cheers to everybody. I'm going to go ahead and taste this. And sorry I wasn't on Tuesday or Wednesday. Been a crazy week. Actually, Tuesday was Irish whiskey day, so I wanted to make this on Tuesday. Never got to it. Sorry I didn't get there yesterday either, but today it's a good day for a Irish whiskey, Irish coffee. So have a wonderful night, everybody. Hope to see everybody soon. Cheers, and we'll catch you soon here at Aroma Thyme.